All right, guys, got a cool one here for you today. This is a 1967 C10 Chevrolet. It was custom built by the previous owner, and it's been driven about 12,000 miles since he has put it together, which is a great sign. This truck has been shaken down, runs and drives great. The body is actually a wrap. So the truck was painted underneath, and the paint, we were told, was in very good shape, but it was the wrong shade that the owner was going for, so he went with this two-tone vinyl wrap instead, and it is really sharp. This truck has some really cool equipment on it. It's a 400 small block Chevy engine, 5-speed manual transmission. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes, riding on nice wheels and tires. It's got vintage air conditioning and heat, Dakota dash, power steering. This is a cloth split bench seat out of a 2007 Chevrolet truck, we believe. Door panels are nice. He's got the custom door panel pockets done here. This truck really is set up to drive every day, which is what the previous owner did. It is a Holley Sniper fuel injection system. Always fires right up nice and easy. There's your controller. He has it mounted nicely. And this truck is really fun to drive. It's got a pretty tall rear gear in the rear, which goes well with the 5-speed because you have 5th gear for the highway. So it will definitely get out of its own way. Very fun to drive. These seats in here are perfect. They hold you in the seat just enough to where if you start driving a little more aggressively, it's comfortable. You're not sliding around like on an older style bench seat. So here's your AC controls. AC compressor just kicked on. Then you got hot too. Got a USB charger right there. You do have some speakers on both sides hidden under there. You can see he did use some Dynamat under the carpet. Wipers. We did just change the oil on this with fresh oil. Doesn't look like we have a horn. And he did add a inside hood release for added security. Custom-built 400 small block Chevy engine. It's got a mild cam, as you can hear in the exhaust low. Higher air gap, Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. You got your hydraulic clutch there. Power brakes, 4-wheel disc. You got your power steering box down there. Got your AC compressor. Really nice, tidy engine bay. You got Shorty exhaust headers, which are better for everyday driving than a long tube would be. This trim is really cool. The gray color, the white stripe going through it, really complements the rest of the truck. And the wrap is a high quality wrap. And you know, if you get right up on it, you can tell it's a wrap. But you know, it looks awesome going down the road. No one would ever know. Like if you look in here, you can see where the wrap starts and ends. The dash is painted. The dash is not wrapped. The glove box is wrapped, but the dash, you can see, is painted. And I believe the door jambs are painted as well. I don't believe that's a wrap. The exhaust dumps just in front of the rear tire. Some other cool custom features done on this truck. The gas filler has been relocated to the bed along with the tank as well. This is a in-tank electric fuel pump for the Holley Sniper. Really cool fill location there on the side, and then a custom spare tire carrier there, sits down nice and low in the bed should you ever need one. This truck also has some trick suspension components on it. It's got some tubular A-arms up front, which give it a really nice tight feel going down the road. And this truck is just ready to go. If you're interested in this truck, please give us a call or go to our website, carsrememberwhen.com. It's going to be advertised on our showroom floor, and it's going to make someone a great next truck. Thanks for watching.